We can see three words on the screen: can, curve and cable. All the words start with the common letter C. And there's another common thing, all the words have letter A. Though all the words have the common letter A, but this letter is pronounced differently in these words. Like in the first word, letter A is pronounced as A, can. And in the second one, letter A is pronounced as R, like curve. And in the third one, the letter A is pronounced as A, you see, cable. So the thing is that the letter is same, but the pronunciation is quite different. Why it is so? The question is, does the pronunciation of English words depend on the letters or something else? That's a real mystery. To solve the mystery and to know some other common features of pronunciation, you can join our upcoming batch on English pronunciation. As it is an online course, you can join from anywhere. So join us and make a difference.